The dessert everyone is talking about. Place Jaffa biscuits in the removable tray. Mix cream cheese with powdered sugar. Pour in liquid whipped cream, and mix again. Pour the Coke into the saucepan. Add starch dissolved in water. Boil while stirring continuously. Fill the pan with alternating both creams. Remove the plastic bottle, and pour the rest of the cream in the fridge for 2 hours. Pour melted dark chocolate on top. Decorate with the biscuit pieces. In the fridge for 20 minutes. Special dessert of 3 ingredients. Grind the biscuits in the blender. Mash the bananas with a fork. Mix the biscuits with the mashed bananas. Shape small balls of the same size. Melt the dark chocolate with vegetable oil. Dip balls in chocolate frosting. In the fridge for 20 minutes, in the glass with ice. Prepare the drink. Decorate the sweets with melted dark chocolate. In the fridge for 10 minutes. A little trick turns an ordinary dessert into a masterpiece. Grind the biscuits in the blender. Add melted butter, milk, and Nutella. Melt butter with sugar in a pan. Add 2 sliced bananas. Pour the banana puree into the bowl. Mix well. Spread the mixture on the cling film. Mix in the whipped cream with powdered sugar. Add coconut flakes, and mix. Spread the cream over the top of the biscuits. Put 2 whole bananas. Roll into a tight roll. Put in the fridge for an hour. Melt the white chocolate. Brush the crumpled cling film with the melted chocolate. Place in the refrigerator for 10 minutes. Melt the dark chocolate with vegetable oil. Pour the dark chocolate over the white chocolate. Place in the refrigerator for 10 minutes. Wrap the roll in the chocolate sheet. Refrigerate for 2 hours. Decorate the roll with raspberries and mint. Mix the crushed biscuits with the melted butter. Place the biscuits in the removable tray. In the fridge for 30 minutes. Mix the milk. Prepare the coffee foam. Add the coffee foam to the milk. Mix the whipped cream with the Nutella. Fill the glass with whipped cream and Nutella. Place a perforated paper cup in the removable tray. Prepare the boiled cream. Divide the cream into 2 parts. Add dark chocolate to a bowl. Fill the tray alternating both types of creams. In the refrigerator for 1 hour. Soak the biscuits in the milk. Place them in the tray. Separate the whites from the yolks. Mix the yolks with sugar. Starch. Boil the milk with lemon peel. Boil the cream. Add lemon juice. Pour the cream over the biscuits. In the fridge for 2 hours. Dip the mouth of the glass in honey and grated dark chocolate. Place the ice cubes in the blender and ice cream. Make the coffee. Add coffee to the blender and milk. Pour into glass. Decorate with whipped cream and chocolate sauce. Here's how to make the best cake ever. Cut 2 bananas into rounds. Place them in a glass bowl. Mash the bananas, add cinnamon and cocoa. Mix well. Fry the oatmeal in the pan, pour the toasted oatmeal over the bananas. And mix. Place the mixture in the glass pan. And flatten. Put a layer of bananas. Cover with remaining mixture. Place the whole milk chocolate over the oatmeal. Bake for 5 minutes. Roast the peanuts in the pan. And grind them in the blender. Decorate the cake with ground peanuts. The famous no-bake dessert. Break the biscuits into pieces. Stir in sugar with cocoa and butter. Pour milk. Boil the glaze. Mix the chocolate frosting with the cookies. Place the biscuits in the removable tray. In the fridge for 30 minutes. Stir in the sugar in the saucepan with starch and flour. Pour milk. Boil the cream while stirring continuously. Add butter and vanilla essence. Mix again. Pour the milk cream over the biscuits. In the fridge for an hour. Stir in the sugar in the saucepan with cocoa and starch. Pour milk. Add Kinder Milk chocolates. Boil the cream while stirring continuously. Pour the chocolate cream over the milk cream. In the fridge for 30 minutes. Place the biscuits in the removable tray. Prepare the boiled cream. Add cream cheese and mix. Pour some of the cream over the biscuits. Put sour cherries. Cover with the remaining cream. Place the second layer of cookies. Put the cake in the fridge for an hour. Grate lime zest. Grind lime cut into pieces in a blender, ice, and lime peel. Strain the juice. Stir in the lime juice, with condensed milk, and ice cream. Perfect dessert in record time. Grind the biscuits in the blender. Add melted butter, milk. Place the biscuits in the removable tray. In the fridge for an hour. Mix in the whipped cream with powdered sugar. Mix the sour cream with condensed milk. Add gelatin soaked in milk. Mix the sour cream with the whipped cream. Divide the cream into 2 parts. Add cocoa to a bowl and vanilla sugar in the second bowl. Fill the tray alternating both types of creams. In the fridge for 2 hours. Put raspberries in the glass. Ice cubes. Pour sparkling water. Put a slice of lemon. Add Fanta.